Hello friends, welcome to the channel Sultan Technical. Today our topic is the most expensive cars, the price of most expensive cars in the world. The most expensive car on this list starts at a whopping $3.3 million, the equivalent of 119 Honda CR-Vs. Though a more expensive car does not necessarily equal a better car, a big enough number on the monetary does guarantee exclusivity. But what exactly does exclusivity mean in the world of automobiles, and how much money does it take to get there? To answer the question, we looked at very new hypercar, supercar, ultra luxury sedan, and SUV on the market and gathered the 10 most expensive together onto one list. With big motors and even bigger price tags, these cars represent the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering. Missing are the car rare one-offs or special editions that must be sourced second-hand instead from the Rolls-Royce Cullinan with its optional heated, cooled and massaging rear seats, or Bugatti 1500 HP jet plane featuring everything listed here. Mclaren 720S. The price is the price is shown there. This is the price of Mclaren 720S. Mclaren is known for building some of the purest driving machines around, and the 720S is no exception. Not only is the 720S one of the quickest cars we have ever tested, with a 0 to 60 time of 2.6 seconds, it is also absolutely shreds around the track. Cradled behind the driver is a twin turbocharged V8 that puts out 710 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. While certainly nice, its interior foremost concern is enhancing the connection between man and machine. McLaren offers the 720S in 6 trim levels, with half being coupes and the other convertibles. The second one is Ferrari F8 Tributo Spider. This is the price of this Ferrari F8 Tributo. The F8 Tributo provides classic Ferrari thrills with a price tag to match. If money were no object, we'd spring for the wind in the hair Spider despite its base price. Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This is the price of Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. With looks that could kill and 715 horsepower, it is no wonder that DBS has made more than one appearance in the venerable. This one is Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is the price of Rolls-Royce. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan delivers everything you would expect from something with the spirit of ecstasy perched on the front. Rolls-Royce Ghost. This is the Rolls-Royce Ghost. Price of the Rolls-Royce Ghost. This one is Ferrari 812 GTS. This is the price of Ferrari 812 GTS. Rolls-Royce Phantom. This is the price of Rolls-Royce Phantom. The last one is Lamborghini Aventador. This is the price of Lamborghini